So here's my clamp, and I want to extend these pieces here so they're out longer, so I have extended clamps. So I marked the center, and this is for the rod to go in. So I have all my pieces marked, and now I'm going to start drilling them out, but first I have to make a mark, and I will use this rod and tap it to give me a mark for drilling. So I'm now going to take out this spring pin. So I have the pieces cut and I have them drilled out and they slide. So now I'm going to cut them and trim them to make them look nice. These will be the dials. Now I'll take it to the table saw and cut them down. So here's the clamp, and these are the dials that I've added, and they're there to keep the extensions parallel. So I'll show you what I mean by that. If you lock this on here, see there's some play there, so we'll keep it there. So now it clamps very well. So